Salehoo is a membership-based online directory that connects wholesale dropshipping suppliers with retailers and entrepreneurs. Dropship and wholesale suppliers are verified and must meet certain criteria in order to be listed in the directory. The Salehoo membership costs $67 per year. This membership provides access to the directory of wholesale suppliers, discounted prices on products, and product research tools. Here's what Salehoo offers. 1. Supplier quality check. Salehoo is committed to providing quality service to its members. The company verifies its suppliers and includes suppliers that meet certain standards. 2. Wide range of wholesale products. With over 8,000 suppliers in its database, Salehoo offers access to quality products at competitive prices. Whether you're looking for clothing, electronics, or home goods, Salehoo has you covered. 3. Low-cost membership. Salehoo is a low-cost alternative to other more expensive wholesale directories. 4. Convenience. Salehoo is a convenient resource that can be accessed from anywhere in the world. It is a one-stop shop for all of your dropshipping needs. The directory is updated regularly, so you can always find the latest products and suppliers. Salehoo offers a 60-day money-back guarantee on any paid plans. Basically, you can test them out for 60 days. If you are not happy, simply request for a full refund, with no questions asked. Here are negative points known about Salehoo. 1. Limited selection. Salehoo is a smaller directory compared to other options available, meaning that you may have a difficult time finding certain products. 2. Some unreliable suppliers. Even though Salehoo boasts about a high selection standard, some supplier may not be reputable or reliable. This is the nature of dropshipping. It is always a good idea to find multiple suppliers to keep as backup. 3. Not the lowest product prices. The prices that suppliers offer through Salehoo are often inflated, meaning you'll be paying more for the same products elsewhere. It is a good idea to research and compare product prices from multiple suppliers. Overall, Salehoo has been around since 2005, so they are a legit company and well known. They do offer a 60-day refund policy to test out their wholesale dropshipping directory before fully committing. Check them out and see for yourself. See link below. Thanks for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to my channel How to Webmaster for more tutorials and reviews on e-commerce. Until next time, happy dropshipping.